Hello, it's Kalurian, and today I am reacting to the chocolate squid by let's see, I can't remember the name. I don't know how to pronounce this guy's name, but he has a lot of subscribers. See, I'm gonna move my head. See, this is his name. I'll have it in the title. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to butcher it, so I'm not gonna say it. But this is a video where he's making apparently a chocolate squid. I saw the little thumbnail for it. It drew me in. I have to know what's going on in this video. How do you do this? So we're gonna find out. I love chocolate, so I had to know what this was about. Oh my gosh, it's a huge mold. I can't imagine the architect skills that would be necessary to actually pull this off. Look at how he shapes that. And he's drawing on the chocolate so perfectly like that. It looks like a giant Easter egg. Look, and this part here, it looks like one of those, crap, what's it called? One of the hollow chocolates you can get, with stuffing in the middle, except this one's huge. How did he do that? Well, it looks like he's building a spaceship. Let's see that again. Hang on a second. Did he use a hot implement to melt that? It looked like that metal, probably he heated the metal so it would melt the chocolate. What the heck? It looks like... Oh, I can see the squid shape taking shape. That is very interesting. What is that? Is that more chocolate he put on it like that? What kind of a cook would you have to be to do something like this, I wonder? And how creative, too. It's huge. Watching him do this, I kind of wonder if he ever did pottery before and like transferred it to chocolate, or if there's no relevance whatsoever. Because it reminds me of watching pottery almost. Wow. Okay, let's keep going. Look at those tentacles. The mold really worked out, and now he's finishing it off. Wow, look at how, look at this. I have to, look at that curled part. It's perfect. Looks beautiful. That's amazing. It looks like he can really draw, too. I mean, I guess you'd have to be able to do this. Wow. Look at that curled region. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. And it's way bigger than I thought it was from the thumbnail. It's like... it's half the size of a person at least. Maybe more. I wonder where he came up with the shape for the tentacles. Like the orientation of them all. How did he think this out? I mean, what was his inspiration to go with that particular shape? Because if I would just think if I wanted to make a chocolate squid for some reason, how would I decide what way the tentacles should go? Because I'm sure there's a lot of thought put into it. Was that the eye? Just the patience that you would need to have to do this is unbelievable. Oh, wow, those are the suckers. They look so delicious. I want to eat it. What is he doing? Is he drilling them? Now he's spray painting it? Can you eat it? Is it edible spray paint? Oh my gosh. It doesn't even look like chocolate anymore. Wow, that eye looks alive. Oh my gosh, it's getting even better. It's shinier. Let's go back a little bit here. Now he's making an anchor, it looks like. And now he's using a blowtorch. Oh, he's putting two together. Wow. Oh, look. Okay. So he makes it look effortless. This is crazy. And now he's spray painting it. Oh, nice. He's giving it a rusted or aged look, it seemed like. Oh! He put the orange on first to look like rust. And now he's making like holes in this silver paint. It's crazy. Such attention to detail. I would never have thought to do that. That would have stopped at the middle color. That's really cool. He's making a chain out of chocolate. How is it strong enough to hold together? Oh my gosh. It's perfect. That was perfect. I've never seen anything like that before. I've never seen anything like this before. That was crazy. I kind of wonder like the different chocolates he used to make the squid. Like it looks like he used different types. He had like a putty chocolate that he would put in the cracks or do the detail work with, sort of. And then he had this big mold of chocolate. Was it all the same? I mean, obviously not. Yeah, see that chocolate he laid over the top. Ah, gosh. I'm in awe of this guy. That is so cool. I mean, to be a cook and an artist at the same time, you have to be in order to create something like that. That is, wow. Almost an engineer, a chocolate engineer. Who knew that this exists? And where would this be used? I'm just curious, like, who would buy this? I mean, what's it for? Is it for, are people going to eat it? Is it just for decoration? It's gorgeous. It looks real. And you could eat that. I mean, unless the paint is poisonous, but I don't know. He probably used edible paint, right? Or maybe not. I don't know. Let me know. Or maybe I'll research this myself. We'll see. Anyways, I love chocolate, so I wanted to do a reaction to something chocolatey. This definitely fits the bill. See you guys in the next one.